Our classic massage lotion is one of our best-selling products, and one of the reasons for that is it's just a universal, all-round light massage lotion with high glide. It's a very simple product. There's only 11 ingredients in this product. We kept it as basic as we could, but we also made sure that it was premium and an effective massage lotion as well. The main lubrication base in this lotion is a blend of triglyceride and glycerin. But we also added some shea butter in there just for a touch of Premax to make sure that the skin felt nourished and hydrated and soothed after treatment as well. So to apply this product, just 1 or 2 pumps into the hand is enough. Allow the lotion to spread and work it in for a minute or 2. The lotion should really go clear before you start to kind of do the technique of your choice. You can reapply a little bit as needed, and wiping down at the end, you just need a towel. And the aim with this product is that there should be very little lotion to kind of wipe off at the end of the treatment. If you are wiping off a lot of product at the end, then you've probably used too much. So a little bit goes a long way. One of the most common questions we get with this product is, can you blend other Premax products or essential oils with this classic lotion? And for sure you can. There's 2 of our own products that combine beautifully. The first is our warm-up cream EP5. So the blend of the lotion and the warm-up cream is great for pre-activity, pre-sport. And then conversely, the recovery cream is great as a post-exercise recovery type massage session as well. If you want to blend your own essential oils with this product, the lotion very easily kind of allows that oil to sink in and combine with it beautifully. Great all-round product, high glide, universal.